Hey there my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. I was really excited to try my luck and see if I could score a white one, which is the soy milk, which is from the Exciting Macaroon series. So let's do a little unboxing together and see what color I got. Did I score? I really wanted a white one, so that's actually why I got the Coke series, because I felt like my 1 in 6 chance was really risky, and as a minimalist, I just didn't feel like collecting a bunch of Labubus.
Oh my God!
You got it.
Sorry, how you sleep?
You got it. Okay. Chill.
Good job, Em.
Show the camera. Nice. Okay.
Yes, oh my God. That's not a good job. You picked the right one. So smart.
Shout out to my husband for picking the right box. I wanted soy milk to go with a white Chanel outfit.
Hey there my handsome and little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So I wanted to share with you guys a really intentional video because I did so much research, and I was like, I'm a minimalist, my Labubu needs to be a minimalist, I just want my one and done. In an ideal world, I would love for that to happen, but obviously these are blind buys, so like, but my Labubu is a minimalist. So I'm going to show you guys my 2 new Labubus. So excited. I definitely have the unboxing on my TikTok. I'll actually show a clip of that so you guys can see that, and I just wanted to make this video to show you guys and dress them up because yeah, I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Woo. Oh my God, that's not a good job. You picked the right one. So smart, I feel the one I wanted out of the 2. I wanted this. Oh my God, I'm just so lucky. We gotta play the lotto. We're so lucky today. It's so cute.
Shout out to my husband for picking the right box. I wanted soy milk to go with a white Chanel outfit. I was like, that's going to be everything. It's going to match with my Chanel bag that's coming. That's there. And then look at that. It says Chanel in proper spelling with the little CC logo. And then it has this, which is great because then you can tuck the tag away. I am not cutting the tag off. Like, I did not go to battle to get these 2 to cut off the tag. So thank you for watching. The first one that I unboxed was the Exciting Macaroon series. So this one is like the older model. This is authentic. Scratched it, had the code, everything, ripped the tab, and I have it right here. Guys, I screamed so loud in the store. Everyone was shocked. So this is the colorways that it comes. I'm assuming that if you're watching this, you know what I'm talking about. So I was like, I really want a cream one, but like my chances are like 1 in 6. I don't think I'm gonna pull it. I was okay if I got some of the other colorways. I was like, if I got toffee, if I got sesame, I'd be fine. Fine if I get the secret. This is pretty cute too, the lychee, but I really wanted soy milk. I was like, please, Labubu gods, soy milk. But I was like, I don't think I'm gonna get it. So I made my peace. I was like, please just like not green grape. Everything else is fine. Yeah, and like I hummed and I hawed and I didn't know what to do. But wait, so let me explain to you guys why I actually have this one. So because I really wanted a guarantee that I would get a white Labubu, I was like, the Coke series has a white Labubu guaranteed. I highly doubt I'm gonna get a secret. I waited in the store, they had a scale. The secret is 200 grams and these were only 98 grams. So I was like, these are guaranteed not the secret. So I'm guaranteed a white Labubu, even though the styles are different. It's 100% white, 50% which style. So I was like, that's good enough for me. I hate gambling. I didn't like my odds. I was like 1 in 6. Those are not good odds. I don't think I'm gonna make it. So I told Will, let's just get this one. I get a guaranteed Labubu. I could change the Coke if I want. I've seen on TikTok people are like, we'll change the Coke. So we decided to get this, and then Will's like, we're already here. We already commuted down. We tried getting one near the house, and the upsell was insane. It was like almost $100. It was like $79.99 after tax. It was like $100 for one of them. These were $50, so we were like, let's just go with these. So he's like, we're already here. Get this one. So we got this one, and I was like, yes. So I was like, let's open this one first. So I opened this one first, just because I was like, regardless if I get a colorway I don't like, I won't be as sad because then I'll open this and know that I have a guaranteed white. The way I screamed in the store when I got soy milk was like next level. I was like, I did so much research, guys. I was like, I don't want to play this Russian roulette game. I don't want to collect a bunch of Labubus. I don't want a bunch of Lafufus. I don't want any of that. I just want one authentic Labubu. I want soy milk. I looked at all the series because there's the 3 series.
There's the first series, which is the Exciting Macaroon. The second series, which this one's actually limited edition. This isn't the second series. The Take a Seat, and then they have Big Into Energy, and I didn't like any of those series. I just wanted the classic, and I just wanted it in white, and I was like, yes. I opened it, and oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. I'm gonna put this packaging on display. I've actually made something similar like this, my wallpaper. I kind of wanted to put the little clothes on. It also came with this, so I'm definitely going to turn this also into something. So that is the little tag thing that it comes with. So I'm also gonna turn that into something. I'm probably gonna put that on my phone. I just wanted to show you guys putting on its little outfit. So when I was at P-Mall, I was like, we need to get it a little Chanel outfit. I saw on Pinterest, people decorated their Labubus with designer clothes. That's actually what made me started to like Labubu, is the designer clothes. I was like, I could dress this thing up in designer clothes. Literally, I can put my Labubu on this thing, put this on here, and now the firkin is an accessory to my Labubu. Now you can see all my favorite white things on it, and it's just so freaking cute. The Soy Milk Exciting Macaroon series, Year of the Sheep, because I'm the Year of the Sheep, and then this is the White Totoro, which I got from the Dongguri Republic, which is the official Totoro store in Hong Kong, which I got like 15 years ago. So, oh, I think I probably will stick this inside here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. That way, yeah, it's giving. So freaking cute. I'm so glad, guys, I didn't have to Russian roulette this. It was so freaking stressful. Let us put on the little outfit. So I'm actually going to turn the camera around. Oh, before I turn the camera around, I also wanted to show you guys the Coke series. I wanted to show you guys the Coke series one. So freaking cute. I was hoping out of the two, the standing one or the sitting one, I was like, I want the sitting one. Please let me get the sitting one. But these are Russian roulettes. These are like blind buys. You don't know what you're going to get. And got the sitting one with the eyes going to the side. That's the one that I really wanted. I can't believe I got lucky on the one and only time. I promised myself it didn't matter what I would get. I wasn't going to keep playing this game. I just wanted what I wanted. Even if I got a green one, I was like, we're going to love and cherish this like a child, because you don't get to pick what you get. And you know what? Like, but the fact that I got the one, I was like, I got blessed by the Labubu gods. I'm gonna add my lucky Thunder Temple pin that I got when I was in Japan, my only time in Japan, that says Leimun from the Thunder Temple in Japan. So I'll probably be like sticking that on there or somewhere on it, or make a little bag and put it on it, because the red on white is just so beautiful, just stunning. It's giving Chanel with the camellia white and the red. If you're wondering about the fur is so soft, and the ears, because it's authentic, the ears turn in. When I was at P-Mall, I got to see some of the Lafufus. The Lafufus are actually pretty cute. I think I might pick up a pink Lafufu, because they're just so cute, because I don't really care for the pink. I can have the pink in the Lafufu. I don't care about that. I just didn't want soy milk as a Lafufu. So the ears, they're like, they come in together. Yeah, I can show you that. The ears come in together, like they tilt in like on a triangle. And their little feet. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. I'm going to buy a little box for them to go in, so when I carry them, they will be in their box. And then I also have this to lock my Labubus in, because I am not letting anyone take these. I cannot deal with the stress of blind boxing, Russian rouletting this thing all over again to get the Labubus that I want. I'm like, no, Lord. So I'm going to put a lock in that to keep them stuck. And then I also picked up some accessories. So I got some gibbets for my Crocs, because you guys know I love Crocs. So I have a Zumomo, or the Secret, and then I have some pink ones, the Mococo, and I put those on my Crocs. And then Soy Milk. The colorway is a little bit foo-foo, but like whatever. It's not official, but super excited to put that on there. Then I also have this one, which is like in the original creator art for Soy Milk. So freaking cute. And the star of the show that I want to show you guys. So I got Soy Milk, the cutest little Chanel outfit, and I'll just be putting that on top of oh yeah, so let's put that on her actually. So yeah, so here's Soy Milk, and we're gonna put the little bow on her head. Just put that on there. So freaking cute. The colorway is just everything, because I wanted Soy Milk to go with a white Chanel outfit. I was like, that's going to be everything. It's going to match with my Chanel bag that's coming. Put that there.
And then look at that, it says Chanel in proper spelling with the little CC logo. And then it has this, which is great because then you can put you can tuck the tag away. I am not cutting the tag off. Like, I did not go to battle to get these two to cut off the tag. So this is pretty good because you can just like tuck in the tag. She's kind of chunky, so yeah, there we go.
So I just wanted to show you guys how freaking adorable that looks. This looks so much better than I expected. Her cute little overalls that look so cute. It's tucked away the tag and it's just so beautiful. And the best part about getting the dress, because I was like, if I want to put the dress on the sitting one, that would be great, because I've seen people say that putting the seating one, like take a seat style with the pants, is not easy. So, and since Labubus are girls, I was like, I want her to have a dress so I can take the dress off and put it on her. And then, although it's gonna be hard, I mean, and the little scarf, I could definitely put the scarf on here, but yeah. But I'm just so glad that as a minimalist, I got my one and done. That's all I wanted. I just wanted the one Labubu. I am not a collector. I am not interested in being a collector. I just wanted my one beautiful Labubu to just put it on my bag. Just put it on my leather bag. And yeah. So thank you for watching. And yeah, so I hope that you guys could have enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.